genuine place. No pretense I'm in no hidden face. Me not rich in gold, but me rich in care. Every step me take, me day I fair. Me been through pain, me know the cost. So me now waste time, me not get lost. When me say me love you, me mean that true. So me won't be treated like you worth something too. Me not rush to the vibe, me not force no game. Zion Express music play while we meditate. Oh, don't you take my love for granted. Me give you my heart, please understand it. Don't you take my love for granted. True love fragile, handle it gentle. We not come for borrow your time then leave. And not sell sweet words for you to believe. Me actions louder than the songs we sing. Consistency at the diamond ring. If you step inside my world tonight, walk with honesty, walk with light. Me not perfect, but me intentions clean. Real love are the best thing me ever seen. If you feel the truth in every line, oh, Zion Express music, keep this soul alive. Oh, don't you take my love for granted. Me open the door, access granted. Don't you take my love for granted. Me give you the key, please don't damage it. Love not game, love not toy. It need care like a baby boy. If you're ready to stay, then stay for real. If you feel the love, show me how you feel. My heart open wide, but my eyes still see. Not everybody deserves the best of me. So if you choose me right. Even on the dark, be me light. Make it loyalty, soul and time. Oh, all we ask is you protect what mine. Oh, don't you take my love for granted. From my soul to my chest it planted. Don't you take my love for granted. Pure intention, access granted. Angle in my heart gentle.